shower and now I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. Obviously I didn't just take a shower. I took a shower about an hour ago, did my makeup, I let my hair dry a little bit, and I kind of pinned it back with like a clip. Otherwise my bangs would be falling down. But now my hair is pretty much dry. It's still a little bit wet, which is perfect to straighten it. So I use 2 straighteners. I use this really tiny little one that I use on my bangs sometimes to like really flip them, like if they're really not cooperating. But today they seem to be working fine, so I'm just gonna be using this big one. These are literally 2 different brands, but they're the exact same. It's so weird. Like they have the same exact pattern, the diamonds and stuff on them or whatever. My straightener is from Numi. It's lasted like a really long time, which surprises me because Numi was like a huge trend on the internet, and you'd think that something like that would be like complete and utter shit and that it would break after just a few years, but no. Pretty much with my hair, the only products I use are, I use some gel, but I mostly use leave-in conditioner. Garnier sells my, I don't know how to say it, Garnier. I'm running out. I think I have a second one here though. But I use like that on my hair. This really works. Like leave-in conditioner works so well. I have a lot of hair. It's thin, but I have a lot of it. It really doesn't like to listen. So even though I have a lot of it, I can't style it because it's so thin. And leave-in conditioner really helps because it kind of thickens it up, I guess. I don't know. But I pretty much just put that all throughout the top of my head and parts of the bottom. And now it's kind of staying slicked back. We don't like that though. So I'm gonna comb it out again. And I sectioned it off as well as I can. Obviously I have such little hair, it's kind of hard to. Reason why I wanted like shoulder length hair is because I've had longer hair before and it flips up at the ends really badly. At least mine does. When I straighten it, I flip the ends just slightly because I think it gives it more volume too, because I'm really looking for volume when doing my hair. So how's your guys' day been? Mine's been super good. All I've done is my makeup and watch TV and did some chores. Also emailed my math teacher, and then later today I'm going to a meeting about a scholarship, and then I'm gonna go do an extra credit assignment for class. I'm honestly so lazy with my hair. Like I try to do the bare minimum, and then I complain when my hair doesn't look good, but it's my fault. I'm just lazy when it comes to hair. When it comes to beauty, makeup, I go all out. I love makeup. This literally takes me like 10 minutes every day in the morning, and I also have naturally straight hair. Sometimes I feel like if I apply heat to my bangs though, they start showing more. So I try not to, but I guess I will today. But if I were to do my bangs, I go right at the root and then I flip them back. Some days I put gel in my hair if I feel like it's really not cooperating. Today it looks like it's doing pretty good. And then I just kind of mess with my hair and keep like moving it around until I get the desired look I want. I have never done a middle part. I tend to do this a lot, but I kind of move around. So like the back of my hair that's longer, I move it around, put it towards the front, and then take it and like somehow maneuver it so it covers my bangs if I ever want to do this with my hair, because I do this a lot where I put it behind my ears. I wash my hair in the morning today though, and typically I wash it at night and then I brush it, like slick it back kind of, but still have my part in my hair. But my hair dries in a way that's like slicked back, and then it gives me more volume. Well, that's my hair. Someone requested me to do this, which is super cool. Thank you for video requests. Typically when people request videos, I always do them because I want to do things that people like to see. So I'll just do every request I get pretty much. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like. If you enjoyed me, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for like 600 something subscribers. Like I gained 100 in the past week, which is so crazy to me. I love all you guys. I love your support and your comments. They're so nice to read. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.